Question 24 is about the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is CO2. The display formula looks like this, where the carbon form 1, 2, 3, and 4 covalent bond, because carbon is a group 4 element with 2, 4, and oxygen is a group 6 element, period 2, group 6. So first shell, 2 electrons, second shell, 6 electrons. Group 6 has 6 outer shell electrons. Group 4 has 4 outer shell electrons. So this one needs 4 more electrons. This one needs 2 more electrons. So what they do is they share, and these are all part of year 9 covalent bonding, and you want this to be simplest ratio, so you can look back to your covalent bonding thing from your year 9. So this means there's 1 carbon and there's 2 oxygen, and therefore the formula is CO2, just like that. If you draw the dot and cross, also a very popular exam question. I will have the covalent bond there. So one covalent bond is 2 electrons being shared. The other covalent bond is 2 more electrons being shared, like that. So what I'll get is I still have 6 dots because 6 outer shell electrons, but I share 2 electrons, and the carbon share 2 with this oxygen, 2 with the other oxygen. This question is not about dot and cross. They are looking for what will increase the amount of CO2. So you get more from motor vehicles because we are talking about complete combustion. We are burning petrol. Petrol is hydrocarbon. Complete combustion of petrols from motor vehicles will definitely give us more carbon dioxide. So that means D is wrong because D does not contain number 1. Photosynthesis uses CO2. Okay, in photosynthesis, you get CO2, carbon dioxide, and then in the presence of sunlight, they give you oxygen, and they give you sugar or carbohydrate. So that's where we get our energy from, and you obviously need to react that with water. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Don't forget your chlorophyll, part of biology, and you will release oxygen and carbohydrate sugar. So photosynthesis is definitely wrong because you take in carbon dioxide. So 2 is definitely wrong. 2 is definitely wrong. So we're looking at 1 and 3. Obviously you burn petrol for your power station because we use coal and oil. Coal is carbon, oil is hydrocarbon. So both of them contain carbon, and they'll give you complete combustion, giving you carbon dioxide product.